Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best product which you can currently promote on clickbank and make a ton of money. Okay, this is really a trusted product. Most of the products on clickbank are a bit scammy or spammy products which the customers don't trust. Okay, they may buy it for once but they may not upgrade it, or you cannot get the upsell commissions if you are promoting those products. But this is one of the product which is really very good, and it can also earn you upsell commissions for a very long period of time. And this is one of the best product as it provides best value to its customer, and that's the reason why I am saying to you that you can definitely promote this product in 2020 and make some great money out of it, as well as you are providing some of the good great value to your customers so that they will return to you for that. Okay, so that's something which is really important, and that's the reason why I recommend you to promote this product. But currently I'm not working in this niche in which this product is, and that's the reason that I'm not promoting this product. But I will highly recommend that you should promote this product in 2020 and make a ton of commission out of that product. So now let's get started into the video. Let me show you the product, and let me show you the affiliate resources, as this product is the only product which provides you with a lot of affiliate resources which you can use absolutely for free. And most of the clickbank products don't provide this many affiliate resources, but this product does, and that's one of the best thing. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. Let me show you the product. Okay, so let's go over here. So you can see you need to just come to clickbank and you need to just go to marketplace. Okay, once you go to marketplace, you need to open the category which is e-business and e-marketing. Okay, for those people who don't have a clickbank account, I highly recommend that you should create one clickbank account. Okay, most of the people from all over the world are accepted in clickbank, so don't worry, most of the countries are accepted over here. Okay, and you can promote clickbank products. Okay, so once you get a clickbank account, all you need to do is go to marketplace and just click on e-business and e-marketing category. Okay, once you click over here, then you can go over here, and here is the product. Okay, so this is the product which I am recommending. Okay, so this is known as Scribble. Okay, it's an ebook creative product, and it's really something which provides a lot of value to its customer, and that's the reason why I am telling you that you should promote this product. Now let me show you that this product has a gravity of almost 141. That means a lot of people are selling this product and earning a commission just by selling this product. Okay, so that's really a thing, and you can see the average rebill is really good. Okay, that's 50%, and that's the reason why you can make not only $56 but more than 100. You can make more than $100 per sale, because those who buy this product are very likely, mostly 50% of the people do upgrade, and you will also get the upsell commissions with this product. Okay, so on average you can make $100 per sale with this product, and that's one of the thing which is best and which I love about this product. Okay, so now let's go to the next, and let me show you the JV page or the affiliate resources which this product provides to you, which you can use and promote this product. Okay, so now let me show you all the resources. So once you come to the resources page, it looks just like this. Okay, so you can see all this stuff. Okay, and once you go, you can see there are funnels, there are banners, there are swipes, there is product and all this stuff. Okay, but the most important thing is funnel. You need to click on this funnel and you will go this words. Okay, now you can see the thing is that you are getting this animated video sales letter which you can download and you can upload to your YouTube channel. All you need to do is make some tweaks into that YouTube video. Okay, and then you can just upload this VSL to your YouTube channel, and you can provide the affiliate link in the description of this YouTube video. Okay, that's the one of the best thing which is there about this product, as well as you are getting this articles. Okay, so all you need to do is sign up for Content Samurai. It's a 7-day free trial. Okay, so you just need to copy this article and convert this articles into videos using content samurai. That means you have got 4 videos which are ready for you to upload on your YouTube channel. Okay, that's the first thing which is to be done. As well as you are getting this Facebook post, I'm going to show you in a very little time that how you are going to use this Facebook post as well as Twitter post to promote this product even more and make extra money out of it. Okay, you don't need to make any landing pages and all this stuff, but I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy to do this. Okay, you can see this is a Scribble review and demo video, so you can also just use this video, download this video and upload it to your YouTube channel. So here you are having 5 videos which are ready to be uploaded on your YouTube channel, as well as you are getting all the keywords which you can provide in the title tags and description of your YouTube video, so that your YouTube SEO provides you maximum views. Okay, that's something which is done. So now you have got 5 videos which you have uploaded to your YouTube channel, and you can find even more videos on this website. Okay, so don't worry about that. On just browse this website, there are 4 or 5 videos which are available, which you can directly download and upload it to your YouTube channel. So you are having 5 videos. Okay, now the most important thing is that you are getting this FB posts. Okay, so all you need to do is you are having a video on YouTube about this product. Okay, and you have provided your affiliate link in the description of that YouTube video. Okay, of this product. Okay, then what you have to do is you can see here our Facebook post. Okay, so all you need to do is copy this Facebook post and join the groups which are ebook affiliate. Okay, you just have to join the groups which are related to ebooks. Okay, so all you need to do is go to Facebook and search for ebooks, and you can find a ton of groups which are related to ebooks, and all you need to do is copy this. Okay, and paste this on Facebook. Now you don't have to paste your affiliate link on Facebook. You cannot do that, or else you will get banned. But there is a trick. You have already uploaded a YouTube video on your YouTube channel. Okay, and what you did was that you have given your affiliate link in the description of that YouTube video, and you can join your YouTube video link over here. Okay, and you can just make this post on YouTube. That's gonna make you a ton of money. That's really important because you have posted this on Facebook and you have provided your video. Facebook does not ban YouTube videos, and that's one of the best thing about this. Okay, so you can just join 15, 20 of this ebook groups, and you need to just make this post every single day, 1 post per day on one Facebook group. That's the rule, or else you will get banned, and that's something which you need to follow. Okay, and once you start posting this, you will start getting traffic on your YouTube channel, and as more people visit your YouTube channel and more people view your videos, the more people click on your affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos, and the more commissions you make. Okay, so that's the entire thing which you can use. You can use the same formula and the Twitter, and you can promote your YouTube channel in which you have uploaded this videos of Scribble, and you have provided your affiliate links in the description of those YouTube videos. And that's something which is really awesome, because you are also making a YouTube channel, you are getting ready-made content for your YouTube channel, as well as you are also getting ready-made posts which you can make on Facebook to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, as well as you are also getting Twitter posts which you can use to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, and you can just sell most of this product. As well as this product is really a very good product, and most of the people love this product. Okay, and it provides real value, and that's something which is the best thing about this product, and that's the reason why most of the people are promoting this product. And you should also promote this good product, and it's one of the best one. And even I myself, I love this product, but I ain't able to promote this product because I don't have time. I am being busy in promoting a lot of other products, and that's the reason why I am unable to promote this product, and that's the reason why I am telling all of you that you should definitely promote this product because it will pay you a lot of commission, as well as your customers will get a lot of great value just by promoting this product. And you will also feel great because you are recommending a very good product to your customers, and that's the best thing which you can do in affiliate marketing, is to promote a good product to a customer. Okay, on clickbank, I may say that not all the products are good, but this is one of the good product which is to be found on clickbank, and you can definitely promote this product and make a ton of money with this awesome product. Okay, so are you going to take action on the strategy? Just comment below yes, if just write down yes if you are going to take action on this awesome strategy and going to promote this product. I will be happy to know that you are taking action on the strategies which I am showing on my YouTube channels. Okay, so you can definitely promote this, as well as you can check out other videos on my YouTube channel. They will provide you a ton of value on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and all that awesome stuff. As well as we also have an Instagram page. The link is there in the description. You can also follow us on Instagram, as well as message me the queries which you have on Instagram, and I will 100% reply to your questions. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.